As you can see, Gaggenau has designed their espresso system with many sophisticated features to ensure all functions operate at the optimal level to ensure the perfect beverages are dispensed. However, there are some cleaning functions that are required by the user to maintain the unit in good working order: the brew unit, the milk system, and the water management system. The plumbed unit features an automatic emptying program, but the container with the grounds should be emptied daily. In the non-plumbed units, both the drip tray and the coffee residue container should be emptied and cleaned each day in order to prevent deposits. If the appliance is not used for a prolonged period of time, a thorough cleaning of all components is recommended prior to use. Using the emptying program accessed in the settings menu is recommended. The brewing unit. Each time the appliance is switched on or to the zero position, it rinses automatically. However, to prevent the naturally occurring oils in coffee impairing the quality of your beverages, regular cleaning of the brewing unit is advised, depending on the frequency of use. To clean the brewing unit, switch the appliance off using the main switch, remove the coffee residue container, and remove the protective cover of the brewing unit. And slide the red latch on the brewing unit all the way to the left to unlock position. Press the eject lever down to release the unit, then remove the unit. Holding the unit by the recessed grips, carefully remove it and clean it thoroughly under running water. Remove the cover and clean the filter under running water. Thoroughly clean the connecting taps to the brewing unit and set it aside to dry. The interior of the appliance should be also cleaned at this time, taking care to remove any coffee residue. When the unit is cleaned and dried, push it all the way back into the appliance. Press into the middle until it audibly clicks into place. It is very important that the red latch is at the left position before reinserting the brewing unit. Press the eject lever all the way up and push the latch to the far right lock position. Cleaning the milk system. The milk system is automatically cleaned with a short jet of steam directly after preparing a milky beverage, but weekly cleaning is recommended. The system can be cleaned automatically or manually. The automatic cleaning function is chosen in general settings. The milk tube is removed from the milk container and inserted into the hole on the coffee residue container. Once started, the program will run for 1 minute. The milk tube should now be reinserted into the milk container. For manual cleaning, the milk hose can be dismantled and all the parts washed with warm soapy water. The included milk container should also be washed regularly by hand. Water management, cleaning and descaling. For cleaning and descaling, only use materials that were specifically formulated for this purpose. Never use citric acid or vinegar-based products to descale this appliance. Additional descaling solution can be ordered from the e-shop. Depending on usage, the machine will display a prompt to run the automatic cleaning program. The program is used together with a cleaning tablet that is placed in the ground coffee drawer dispenser. Once the program has been selected using the rotary selector, the prompts on the display will guide you through the program. When the message, "Please descale," appears in the display, the descaling process should be done as soon as possible. Don't risk getting shut out of the coffee house. This message is not something to ignore. It is really time to run the descaling program. If the message is ignored, appliance locked will display on the screen and the machine cannot be used until after the descaling process. Descaling is an important protective measure, and once selected, the prompts in the display will guide you through the process. For convenience, if both functions are due at the same time, the unit will prompt you to run both programs at the same time. Brewing the perfect espresso drink each time is a gratifying experience, and you can appreciate that the sophisticated engineering and thoughtful design of the Gaggenau espresso system assures you will never be disappointed.